welcome back to another episode of
What to Do.
Today we are in Tennessee and we're going to a place called Virgin Falls. We went to a Mexican restaurant yesterday and it had a virgin martini, I think.
Well,
a virgin cocktail called
and
virgin flavored. So that's interesting. I don't want to know what that tastes like. Anyway, we are going to Virgin Falls. We've never been here, but we just checked out of this B&B that was incredible. I think we might show you guys what it was like because it was so amazing. Hey, come on in. Welcome to the most amazing Airbnb I've ever seen. If I can look at this chair and this closet, and there's enough room to spin your own wheel and sew your own clothes and take your own bath. And sleep in your own bed. We don't know what Virgin Falls is going to be like, but we're going to go check it out and tell you what the difference is between Kentucky's hiking trails versus Tennessee's hiking trails, and if there's really any difference at all, because they're kind of close to each other.
come along.
Come along! Shh. Right here we saw a wild mint. Looks like it's meant to be. This is the way! So, we're almost there. We've only got 4.1 miles left. I'm a little tired. How long have we already gone, Will?
0.2 miles.
So bad news. We forgot our water, and I don't want to go on an 8-mile hike without water, so we're gonna go back and get our water. So this is one place that I will say I haven't seen a lot in Kentucky is the amount of ferns. Look at all these ferns. There's a lot of ferns. I'm trying to think of a pun with ferns, but I can't. I wonder what kind of animal did this to this tree. So I needed to pull my hair back, but I didn't have a hair tie, so we just used tape. I'm really excited because we just found a waterfall and they said that this one's not even the biggest or the best. And so I'm looking at it, you can see a person as a reference, but look at down there.
What?
You don't want to look at it, you'll freak out. But look at these leaves. It looks like there's a stick running through them. Hold it still so you can see. And it looks like the leaf just grew around it.
What do you think about that?
I like it. exhausted, but we made it. It was 4 miles, but it felt like it was 40 miles. Let's go see.
Oh my goodness. This is even better than they made it sound. Oh my goodness. We're in the middle.
I can feel the wind coming up on me.
There's no way to get perspective. This is crazy.
I am pleasantly surprised with how amazing this waterfall is. I'm exhausted, but let me tell you, people keep on telling me that it was worth it, and now I see what they mean. It's really incredible. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this episode of What to Do and my trip to Tennessee. It really was one of my favorite waterfalls to look at. If you've enjoyed this video, please take just a moment to click the like, subscribe, or share button, or comment if you know any of the plants or any of the things that I didn't know in the video. Again, I had so much fun and I can't wait to see you next time.